Hey everyone, welcome back to an unboxing video of a glue gun I bought there on Temu. So I bought this glue gun. It was around, I think around €6 on Temu, so it wasn't a bad price. So yeah, it's a hot glue gun, but it's good for some woodwork projects or anything like that. So I'm just going to take it apart here and just show you what it looks like. So it's a small enough glue gun because it's only cheap, so it was a good deal. So I bought it on our, just checking out here. Yeah, so when I bought it, it was actually, that's a not a EU plug. It's so it wasn't too handy anyway. So I'm gonna have to buy a converter plug for that for the wall's 3 socket. But yeah, it's a brand new. It's nice looking glue gun. It's black and orange, and it's got a good few features, on and off button there. And then here's the glue sticks. I bought it, I think they're around €3, around €3 for 20 pieces. So that's not bad. So yeah, so the glue sticks are small enough. They're only small enough, so they're not too big. And there says 20 pieces there. So yeah, it's not too bad. You get a small bit out of them, you get a bit of life out of them, and it's just to test run and just see if it's any good. But I'm going to put it into the glue gun here, just see how it looks here. Yeah, so it fits in nice, slots in nicely at the back there, and yeah, so you can push it in even further there, and then you'll grab the plug, you can plug it in the wall, and then you can turn the on button, let it heat up for a minute or two, and then you just start gluing then onto your piece of wood project, and then be looking nice then, just to stick the pieces together. Very fast and efficient compared to just any normal wet wood glue. That wouldn't be quick or efficient. So thanks for watching, subscribe and like the video.